Filtering your water directly from the tap with no electricity, no tank, and a simple durable installation? It's entirely possible with the Classic Tap system from Pure Filters. Here is the Pure Filters Classic Tap Kit, a complete under-sink filtration system ready to install. The kit includes a two-way faucet, a filter housing, the necessary supply lines for connection, a housing wrench, a Coldstream CTO Max cartridge, various water supply adapters, as well as all the mounting hardware for the faucet. The faucet separates tap water from filtered water. The cartridge combines high-density ceramic and activated carbon for broad-spectrum filtration. Installation is done directly under the sink on the cold water supply line only. Before starting the installation, it is imperative to shut off the main water supply. Gather the tools needed to remove your old faucet. Start by closing the shutoff valves. Then, using a wrench, disconnect all your old fittings. Once your flexible supply lines are disconnected, remove your old faucet. For the installation of the new faucet, pay close attention to the connections for each water supply: hot, cold, and filtered cold. Indeed, unlike standard faucets, the Classic Tap operates with 3 flexible supply lines instead of 2. Securely fasten the new faucet using the provided hardware. Prepare the T-adapter to create a bypass on the cold water supply with the necessary fittings. As a reminder, only cold water supplies the filtration circuit. For a better seal, we recommend using a thread sealant cord like Loctite 55, which is more reliable and adjustable than PTFE tape. Firmly tighten the T-adapter and all its fittings using a wrench. Install the filter housing bracket inside the undersink cabinet. Attach the filter housing to its bracket using the provided screws. Insert the Coldstream CTO Max cartridge into the filter housing. Then tighten the housing by hand. Grab 2 wrenches and use the provided fittings to connect the filtered output to the faucet's filtered water line. Make sure to firmly tighten all connections with a wrench. You can now turn on the main water supply and check the installation for leaks. When using it for the first time, let the filtered water run for about 5 minutes. A light carbon residue may appear at first. This is completely normal during initial startup. The filtration process is documented according to NSF protocols. It notably reduces fine particles, microorganisms, heavy metals, chlorine, pesticides, PFAS, and certain pharmaceutical residues. Filtered water every day, straight from the tap, it's simple, reliable, and sustainable. We recommend replacing the cartridge every 6 months.